Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money working from home. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and consider subscribing. And today I have an app that I wanted to share with you where you can take surveys and earn some cash. But before we move on, I just wanted to remind you or let you know that we are doing 3 gift card giveaways for the month of February for Valentine's Day. So if you are interested to enter for a chance to win one of those $50 gift cards, go ahead and check the description below this video. I have more details in regards to that with you. So we're gonna go ahead and move on. Thus, the app that I have that it's new for me, it's called Surveys on the Go. This app is actually rated 4 stars, and it has some positive reviews and obviously some not so positive as well, but it's rated 4 star. So I went ahead and downloaded the app. We can actually come and read more about the app and see how it works. It says what's new. We hate bugs, so we put them in a glass jar and took them outside. That's what's new, okay? And about this app, the #1 rated reviewed survey app. We pay you cash for your opinions. Download surveys on the go to earn real money for surveys you can take quickly. Fortune 500 companies, the entertainment industry, and brands around the country need your opinions and will pay you cash for them, not points. Using powerful location services. Surveys on the go can alert you every time you're near a business that wants your feedback. Take surveys, test products, and make cash. And then at the bottom it says how it works. #1, allow notification and location services when you sign up. We'll invite you to take a paid surveys whenever they are available, usually a few per month. Redeem your reward once you've earned $10. And privacy at surveys on the go. We value your privacy just as much as your opinions. We'll never forward, sell, or transfer your personal information without express permission. It's safe and protected, guaranteed. Okay, so that's what it says about the app. So I went ahead and downloaded it just to see what it looks like. And let's go ahead. Okay, so since I barely downloaded it, I did actually just kind of connected it with I logged in with my Facebook information. So that's what it's going to show on the side where it says profile. And then obviously right here where it says surveys, those are the surveys that are available to you. Like for instance, me, since I barely downloaded the app, it says about me. So if I were to go in there and answer those questions, they would give me 50 cents. And about me household, it will give me 50 cents for that survey as well. I don't know how long they are. I have not looked at them at all. And where it says earn, that's where it shows your current balance, what amount of money you have, how much payout history you have, and survey history as well. And here on the right hand side, on the upper corner, where those 3 little dots are at, you can refer a friend. It says tell a friend. There's also the help button. You can come here and actually if you need help with it, they have the terms and condition, the privacy center. You can change your password if you wish to. It does look pretty simple, maybe because I have not really answer the questions about me, or fill out the whole thing about my profile. Maybe that's why it looks pretty plain and simple. But I think I like the fact that it looks pretty plain and simple. I mean, it's easier like that. Now, like they said on the about page, you do have to turn on your location on your phone. You need to allow them to access your location. So it looks like once you're if you're out and about shopping or just dining out or something, if you have your location turned on, if you allow them into your location to your phone, it'll allow you to review restaurants or places or products that if you are nearby, you can go and try it, or just things like that. So I think that gives you more opportunities instead of just sitting there and waiting for a survey to arrive. If you are out and about during your day or during the weekends, you can actually get surveys sent to you if you are nearby the location to review the location, the business, or any of the products. So I think this is a really good opportunity to earn some little cash on the side. But if you are interested in learning how to build a long-term passive income stream, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I'm gonna go ahead and share more details in regards to that with you. But for today, that is all that I have. Now, give me a thumbs up in this video if it was helpful, if you liked it, or if you have had any experience with this app, or if you have earned any money from this app. Go ahead and share your experience with us. We really like it when our viewers share their experience, or how much money they have earned, or the app just didn't work for them, or just whatever it is you're experiencing with the app. It's really helpful for us here in the community to learn more about the app. I personally, like I said, I barely downloaded this app. I have not made any money, or have not done any surveys on it yet. So yeah, that's pretty much what I can share with you for now. Thank you so much, and until next time.